Welcome beings unworthy of human existence. I'm your host, Camo Crusade. Honestly, I'm surprised you're still watching this channel after being on service for a couple weeks now. But since you're here, I guess I'm going to teach you something new. It's called cooking. One of the many talents you don't have, or I either. So I'm going to do this and make some suggestive hand gestures as I walk you through the steps in the art of cooking. Today we will be making a Mexican dish called enchilada. Honestly, it sounds quite disgusting and you should be watching something else by now. But enough of that, here are the ingredients and tools you will be needing. Pahana, sute and cacariga, aguilla, sour creome, shredded cheese, tortilla, and an ugly oversized cherry. The tools we will be needing are Bundy thing, your instant drug lord, and this ugly thing that once was breathing. After a recent string of failures and events within my home, I will no longer tolerate this sort of failure. That's why today's sponsor is the Mexican drug cartel. They have provided some very important tools that we will be using to cook today's dish. So now that you are in the kitchen, whip out your shotgun. Now something more devastating to your kitchen appliances. It's the Glock 17 by Glock. Next, we will be consulting our instant drug dealer. Pour in 1 cup of water. Take your flesh and dump it in. Seasoned flesh. And put on the stupid hat. How do I use this? After consulting Google, I learned how to turn on a pot. You will next take your oversized cherry in a container and your Glock 17. And just like that, voila, you have the brains of the innocent. I'm perfectly safe. Did I do this correctly? It's making weird noises. Next thing you want to do is take your little brown turds and mix the brains of the innocent inside. Stop making noises or I will blow your brains out. Thank you. And take your menacing looking stick and blend it. Now, take your enchiladas. I hate Apple. My storage is very low and I'm going to have to cut this video very short. Now set it to 15 minutes. Hit start. Boom, finish. I put avocado in. Yes.